Indonesia's Ministry of Foreign Affairs has held a discussion titled Road to Platinum Jubilee to commemorate the 70th anniversary of the Asian-African Conference.
Ahead of the commemoration of the 70th anniversary of the Asian-African Conference in 2025, Foreign Minister Retno Marsudi said on Thursday she will promote decolonization and strengthen cooperation among Asian-African countries. On Thursday, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs held Road to Platinum Jubilee discussion with a theme of the Asian-African We Desire, empowering the Global South by leveraging the Bandung spirit. Among the participants of the discussion were Asian-African government officials, diplomats, academics, journalists, and youth representatives. The discussion also focused on the identification of various challenges faced by Asian and African countries and the efforts needed to address those challenges. Minister Retno said such a discussion is important amid an increasingly complex global situation which requires cooperation among Asian and African nations to foster mutual trust, respect for sovereignty and international law, and strengthen peaceful resolutions in addressing various conflicts in the world, such as the offensive in Gaza. Retno added, there are three main points to strengthen Asian-African cooperation. First, ensuring the roots of justice and global humanity, especially the independence of Palestine. Second, enhancing inclusivity to address various global challenges that still divided between the North and the South. And the third, fostering the branches of solidarity in safeguarding the rights to development and emphasizing the Global South to promote solidarity in advancing the rights to development to achieve shared prosperity.